Hit the bell icon when you subscribe so you will be notified when I am on YouTube. Welcome back everybody. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite pizzas, a Margherita. It's a very simple pizza with excellent flavors and it tastes amazing. If you like to learn, then please keep watching. And these are the pictures of authentic Margherita pizza which I had tried in Italy and which are baked in wood-fired oven. Here I've taken 1 cup of warm water, to which I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a mix. And now I'm adding yeast. It's 1 packet or you may take 1 tablespoon. Give it a mix. And cover it and keep aside so that yeast get activated or it's get proven. Now let's start making dough. Here I'm taking 2 cup of all-purpose flour, to which I'm adding salt to taste. Mix it well. And let's add the yeast mixture. You can see our yeast is proven. Let's make a soft dough. Now I'm adding olive oil. Knead it well. Now I'm brushing some olive oil on the top of the dough. Now cover it and let it rest for at least 1 to 2 hours. Let's make pizza sauce. Here on tomato I've given a slight cut as you can see. And please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Now let's add this to the hot water and let it boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes or until the skin starts to peel off. You can see the skin is getting off. Now let's remove it. Just peel off the skin and chop it into pieces. Here I'm ready with the other ingredients: crushed garlic, chopped onions, tomato, basil, mixed herbs and chili flakes. Now let's start. First I'm adding olive oil, then crushed garlic. Just saute it. Then I'm adding the chopped onions. Here I've taken white onion, you can take regular one. Now I'm adding the chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Now add some chopped basil. It enhances the flavor of the sauce and let it cook properly. Now I'm adding sugar for taste. Then chili flakes. And the mixed herbs. Now I'm adding salt to taste. Give it a good mix. And cover it and let it cook properly. After 2 minutes, you can see a sauce is almost done. Just give it a mix. And you can see our pizza sauce is ready. Let's arrange the pizza. You can see our dough is double in size. Now punch it and knead it properly. Now I'm spreading some yellow cornmeal. If you don't have, you can use semolina, rava, and flatten it up to give it a good pizza shape. Give it a shape to its edges. And with the help of fork, make these holes so that our pizza cooks properly. And now let's spread our pizza sauce, which is homemade. Yum! Spread it generously. Now let's add fresh mozzarella. You can use shredded mozzarella also. And basil leaf. And now I'm adding cherry tomatoes. Red, white and green color resembles the Italy flag. I have preheated my oven at 400 Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. And now let's bake it for 20 minutes or until it's completely done. You can see our pizza is ready. Now I'm drizzling some olive oil on its top and just brushing some olive oil on its edges. And our Margherita pizza is ready. And if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you. Goodbye.